Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. If you want to stock up on cleaning supplies for super cheap, you're going to want to check out today's deal video where I have 10 more cleaning supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, September 9th at Dollar General. But before I get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here on my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because I want you to save as much money as you possibly can. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoy the deals, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up like button. It's an awesome way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. For tonight's question, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite item in your couponing stockpile. I feel like this kind of changes for me over the years, and currently my favorite item is definitely my dishwasher pods. I don't know what it is, but whenever I'm out of them, I know I have them and it makes my heart so happy. Make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members too that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there so that I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of 100 couponing planner pages that will make writing out your couponing deals so much infinitely easier, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have it in both places because it is finally available in book format over on Amazon. I'm so excited, super proud of this project because it's something I've been wanting to do since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. And for those of you that have already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And if you could take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of them and how they turned out, I would really appreciate the feedback. So let's get started with these deals because we have a lot to cover here. So starting off, we had to do a deal for the Ajax dish soap. I am so excited that this coupon finally came back. It was one of my favorite coupons nearly every other month when we would get it. And we haven't had it, to my knowledge, for the majority of 2023. So we are definitely going to take advantage of this and stock up for super cheap. So grab 2 bottles of the big Ajax dish soaps, 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods, 1 bottle of Nivea lotion, because when we're doing all those dishes, we got to make sure we're putting lotion on our hands, right? I don't know about you, but my hands get so painfully dry after doing the dishes. And then grab 1 medium gain fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.95 plus tax for an amazing 59% off savings. Now, if you want to stock up on the Dawn Power Wash and the Gain Power Blast sprays, here's a really easy and simple couponing deal that you can do. I love both of these products. They are a go-to in my kitchen, especially when I have frying pans that are super dirty and kind of caked on. You can almost watch the dirt lift off the pan. It's so fun to watch. So for this deal, grab 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills, 2 Gain Power Blast sprays, and again, 1 of the medium gain fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.02 plus tax for a 61% off savings. On top of this being an amazing week to stock up on general cleaning products, this is a fabulous week to stock up on laundry supplies. So many great coupons. This is definitely one of our best chances over the last couple months to really stock up for cheap. So for this deal, grab 1 of the big bottles of Downy fabric softener, 2 of the Febreze Unstoppables cans. They are $4 each, and then grab 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.45 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Now, if you're wanting to stock up on air fresheners, please take this as a sign that this is your time to stock up on these products with these super high value coupons, especially the $7 off Airwick plug-in coupon. It's a rare coupon. It makes for super low out of pockets, so this is our time to shine. So grab 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, 1 of the 5-count packs of Airwick plug-in refills, and then 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $7.95 plus tax for and you know I'm going to do it. I feel like the more I do that, I get better at it. For a 72% off savings. This is an amazing deal. Now, one of the things that I tried to focus on with my cleaning supplies deals this week is I tried to include some items that, one, we almost never get coupons for, and two, are super important and we use a lot of. So, for example, this deal, I included one of the gallon-sized bottles of the Odoban disinfectant. It is an awesome product, especially going into the cold and flu season. I highly recommend grabbing one of these to keep on hand. You can mix it up into like a multi-surface kind of a thing. I absolutely love using it to mop my floors every time we get through a cold bug. I just did this a couple days ago actually because I got over a nasty like head and chest cold. So it's always one of my go-to things. So I want to stock up. So grab 1 gallon-sized bottle of Odoban, 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, 1 tub of the Swiffer Heavy Duty Wet Refills, and then 1 small bag of Gain Flinks. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $13.25 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Now, think about that one. We didn't even have a coupon for the Odoban, and that was $9.50 of our transaction. So this is a great deal to stock up on cleaning supplies. Moving on, we have a great deal to stock up on Tide Pods. Now, if you're a fan of Tide Pods, again, take this as your sign to stock up because we have so many Tide coupons this week. I believe, 4 or 5 coupons. So this is a great time to stock up. Grab 1 tub of Tide Pods, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, and then 1 Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.15 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Here's another great example of what I said, that I'm trying to include some items into my couponing deals that I almost never include for some weird reason. For example, the toilet bowl cleaner, and I actually need to replenish my stockpile for this one. So for this next deal, grab 1 bottle of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, 2 tubs of the Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, 1 medium gain fireworks, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.20 plus tax for a 53% off savings. Now, here's another great deal to stock up on those Lysol disinfecting wipes because, again, cold and flu season is right around the corner, so we got to stock up for these items when we can get them cheap because what is worse than having to pay for these things full price when we're in a moment of panic when the cold bug has arrived at our house, right? So for this deal, grab 2 of the Febreze Unstoppables, 2 tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, and then 1 of the Eric Essential Mist starter kits. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.25 plus tax for a 56% off savings. This is an awesome deal to stock up on those Lysol disinfecting wipes. Now, if you are a fan of making your own detergent, I love including the Borax Detergent Booster. I include this in one of my deals, I believe it was last week, and a lot of people seem to be really excited that I included it because we almost never get coupons for it. But like I always tell you, just because we don't have a coupon for something doesn't mean we still can't score a great deal on it. So for this deal, grab 2 boxes of the Borax Detergent Booster, 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent, 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, total out-of-pocket comes down to just $13.95 plus tax for a 51% off savings. Now, just like the other deal, think about it. We have $12 of this going to just the borax alone, and we are just paying just a little under $2 more than that, and everything else ends up being free. That's my kind of couponing deal right there. One of my personal couponing stockpile goals for 2023 has been to stock up on Comet. It makes cleaning my bathtub so much easier, especially when I'm in a rush. So I want to add it into my stockpile. This has definitely been one of the items I've never been able to remember to include into my stockpile. So we're going to stock up on it. And it's a cheap product, by the way. So grab 3 cans of Comet Cleaner, 2 Dawn Power Wash refills, 1 bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, and then 1 Febreze Fabric Refresher. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11.66 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Now, if you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, if you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete couponing deals list from week to week because most weeks I write significantly more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. So I upload it as a PDF file over on my Patreon page, which means you can either download it to a smartphone, you can download it to a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep all the items separated, and these are all major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking game products. We have toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products. We even have Tide deals and a cheap out-of-pocket deals list this week and diapers list because we hate paying full price for diapers, right? So this is an awesome way to level up your couponing because I've basically done all the work for you here. All you have to do is download or print off the list, pick whatever deals you want to do, go to the store, find the products, clip your coupons, and you are ready to go. Easy, easy peasy. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button. I'd really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please take a moment, show my channel some love, and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here as part of our LoveLiveSave coupon community. And while you're at it, super important step, click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I definitely am going to get back to doing soon now that I'm finally feeling better, you're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.